The line segments AB and CD are diameters of a circle that passes through origin. And AB lies on a line whose equation is 2x plus 3. CD is another diameter which lies on the line whose equation is 3x plus 2. We are required to find the area of the circle. So if we pictorially represent the information, and let this be the origin of the axis, it says the circle passes through the origin. It doesn't say that the origin is the center of the circle. So if we read the information carefully, we get something like this, where origin is on the circle. Let this point be the center, and let us call it as O. So in order to find the origin, we can use the information given that the diameters, which will always be passing through the center. So let this be AB and CD. Wherever the two diameters intersect would be the center. To find the point of intersection, we can use the information that AB is on y equal to 2x plus 3 and CD is on another line whose equation is 3x plus 2. We can find the point of intersection by eliminating y, like 3x plus 2 is 2x plus 3. So we get x is equal to 1. We now substitute this x back to one of the equations here, and we get 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. So the 1 and 5, the center is 1, 5. So this is the coordinates of the center. Now we need to find out the distance, because in order to calculate the area we need to find the radius. So radius is simply the distance between the center and origin, and we should recall that the distance formula between any 2 points is, let's say x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the points, then it is given as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 y1 is 0 0, so we don't really need to use that, and therefore we can simply say this is 1 square plus 5 square. So let us do this as 5 square, so which is square root of 26. So radius is square root of 26. So the area of circle is pi times 26. So it is 26 pi, which is option C.